Laying pretty flat?
Pretty flat, yeah.
Had to run and get some diesel for the excavator. It's taking way longer than I thought it would to get down through here, but it's just so hard. The ground, once you get to about 2.5 feet, it's just, you have to break it up. So definitely the rest I'm gonna have to do with a bigger machine, but we'll see. Hoping to get through the rest of the woods here and out to the field, but I don't know. So the water line is going in the house, and there's also the 1-inch line down there, which is going to go out. I have a T right here to go to a garage someday, and then I think there's 4 other ones that I put in that could be like yard hydrants or you know, pretty much a yard hydrant. This would be the only thing that you want to have out there. But while I had the 4-foot hole, figured I'd throw them in. The digging up here was rough. It was so hard. And you can see the side there. You get down past the gold colored dirt there, and it's just gravel. And it's rock hard. Because it's full of rocks. It was crazy. This one is the one that's definitely going to go to the garage someday. And I put the T out so that way I only have to dig over here. And I won't have to dig up the main water line into the house. So I don't break that when I'm actually living in the house, because that's not going to happen shortly. So just got to go through and throw some dirt on with a shovel, or at least watch when we backfill. But we'll get started backfilling this week. But it definitely didn't go as well as I had hoped. I thought I could get half the pipe in, so 1,000 feet, in the time I had left with the excavator after I put in the propane tank. But I only got one hole one and probably 50 feet, so 550, maybe 575 feet. In here it's really nice. The trench is beautiful because there's no roots. And then, well, my dad cut out all the other ones over there, so that's why that one still looks pretty decent. And then right here, this is all sand. I mean, this was nothing but sand right here. This was the easiest, I don't know, 40 feet I dug. And this one is also, this one's one that I'm definitely gonna make a yard hydrant because it's pretty far from where the hose is on the side of the house. This one I made a little bit longer because it's kind of underneath the access road. And I know the pipe's right under the road, but I don't plan on using it ever, except to go out to the field to brush hog, so I'm not worried. We're not gonna have dump trucks rolling up through here. I couldn't even make this hill anyways, it's pretty steep. But all the 1-inch fittings and everything, that wall went real smooth, no problems there, but that's easy stuff to work with. Rolling out this big pipe. Up here wasn't bad where it was dry, but then it was going downhill. The ditch was nice and everything, but I was just waiting to get to the better dirt, and then I get to the dirt that I can actually dig, and it's so wet that all I'm doing is caving in the sides. You can actually see the stream in here, it's crazy. Right here somewhere. You can see up there where it starts running out. It's like a spring for sure. Definitely could make that into a well, because that's not surface water, that's coming out of the side of the hill here. Put in a big pipe and a pump and you could have fine water, I'm sure. Maybe a little purification, but I'm sure it's fine. Coming all the way down through here. This was all okay here. Still just, you know, too many rocks to really just dig along. You know, I never was just digging. Plus it's just so deep. I mean, 4 feet down is a lot of dirt. Even with the little bit narrower bucket, but it's kind of narrow to walk right here. Go further. The water's all dammed up down here because it was getting so much water that I couldn't even dig. Wow, look at all the water running down through. That's crazy. It's a ton of water. Might as well just stop the pipe there and put in a pump. Oh man. But see in here, you can see where it was all caving in, which sucks. So those will all settle someday, but pipe's 4 feet down, so that's all that really matters. And then, wow, look at how much it's caved in there now. Crazy. So wet down here. This isn't even the wettest spot. The whole National Grid thing is going to be a nightmare. But got to here, and then I kind of like put it out and up over here because I need to use this road because I don't know if I'm going to keep going with this pipe or National Grid first. But by the time this video gets posted, probably I'll be done. So I think I'm like, I don't know, 10 videos behind. Pretty much everything I've done all summer. Pretty big mess I made there. Got to try to fill it in before it gets all wet and rained on a bazillion times. But yeah, so I was hoping to get all of that pipe in too. That was really what I was looking for. That obviously didn't happen. So I'll have to get the excavator again and keep on going, but it's crazy. Crazy, crazy.